Hey girl, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sha'Kenya, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I did my girllll set for the first time. I did not know what I was doing. I mean, really, I did not know what I was doing, but I just was showing y'all some of the products that I was going to use. The gel polish, my drill, which I need a new one, my lamps, both of them. One is to cure the nail like your single nail, and then others to put your whole hand underneath. Now I'm just going ahead and filing my nails. This is just to help the actual tip like stick to my nails. And girl, I mean, it did what it had to do, but later on I found out that I really needed a new drill. After that, I'm going in and filing with this nail file. This nail file was really good, and it definitely got the job done. It did better than the drill, actually. So now I'm going ahead with the drill, and I am just filing down the inside because it just helps the nail be able to stick to your nail. It's like takes away that shine, so it won't be kind of like sticky. Like it gives it like a grip. So I went ahead and did this to all my nails, just showing y'all exactly how it looks so you can see and get the picture. And then like the nail was like too small, so I went and I tried to change like the head. And this was when I realized I need another drill because it was not doing what it needed to do. I was like it really had no power at all. So yeah, I ended up switching it back. And then I had to go ahead and take like my nail file and break it apart and just try to like rub in the inside of it as much as I could because the drill literally could not fit. So now I'm going on top of my nails with the dehydrator. This is to like dehydrate my nails so it's no moisture. And after that, that's when I started to apply the glue, and then I cured my nails underneath the single light.
Tell me how you want it. Put me on my back, on my stomach. Baby, let me blow it like a trumpet. I could do it all. I could probably suck a watermelon through a straw. Believe me, every other day, new wig, new hair. Come take me out this move, Blair.
So I just did the rest of my fingers, one at a time. Now I applied my tips to my left hand. I'm just showing you guys how they look, comparing both hands, and I did file that hand as well. And now I'm just going to show you how I did it on the other side. So I am applying the glue now to the inside of the tip. When you do this, you want to press it down at an angle so that you don't have a bubble, but I did have a bubble. If you look on the top right, it was an air bubble. Like I said, I am learning. They did last pretty long. I think they still would have been on if I didn't bite them off, which you should not do. So make sure you don't do that. There is a way to remove them. But yeah, they really, like, honestly, they did really well for me to have as many air bubbles as I did. I didn't have an air bubble on all of them, but I did have an air bubble on a few of them. So now I'm just going ahead and I'm curing them all individually, some together. But for the most part, I did them individually. Now I'm filing them just so this can help the gel stick to the glue. Stick to the nail. And now I'm going ahead and I'm just cutting my nails to the length that I want them to be. I wanted these to be very natural, just to look like my own nails, but just have a better shape. Now I'm just filing them, shaping them as much as I can, get them the way I want them to be. I think I did pretty good. I mean, this took a lot of work. There was some stuff that I even did off camera, like with the drill. I was about to say the grill. With the drill. And I was really trying to shape them. I mean, it really took a lot of work. I then went in, I started to polish my nails. I noticed that I didn't like them, so then I ended up having to drill off the polish that I had on, and then I tried out this color on my right hand, on my middle finger, and I liked it at the time. So then I just was like, you know what, let me do the rest of my nails. As you can see, you see the old color that was on the other nails because I had already polished them, and like I said, I took it off. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do all my nails with this color. This color looked crazy in the end. I really did not like it. I don't know what I was thinking, because I don't know, I just didn't like it, but I feel like it looked okay when I first looked at it. However, to be honest with you guys, I really didn't like any of the colors that came in that gel set. I don't know, they just look so different from in person than they did online, so I was kind of irritated about that. But I'm gonna try to make the best out of it because I don't want to waste my money. I do have like a light pink color that I think I'm gonna give a try, but yeah, I really just did not like any of the colors. They just look, I don't know, it just looks like, what is this color? It's like a mustard, like a neutral mustard. It just is not cute, but I was trying my best. I did the best that I could do. This was the end result. And yeah, I did mess up on my ring finger in the corner. I don't remember. I think from when I kept drilling and drilling and drilling, I ended up cracking the corner of my nail. But yeah, that was it. I hope this video was helpful, at least from a beginner's point of view. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button.